Hi, welcome to this week's portfolio. So current portfolio it's showing both 7873.17. If you see the overall gain, it's $126. Last week, $106 gain, a return of 1.37%. Earned dividends we got from SPOL 23.39. If you go to the borrow section, right now we borrowed 1931 and we paid $11 last week. Onto the activity tab. So last week we invested $24 on Friday prior to this week, and everything went to SPOL. $24 went to SPOL. Again, we deposited $21. Out of that, $11 went to the payback for the loan, and $10 again we invested on SPOL. We got a dividend of 23.3. All those dividends we invested on Lin. That's our long-term share. Also, we got QYLD dividend from QYLD 6.63. So we expect it around $5. Everything went to Costco. That's again our long-term share. Going back to portfolio, for the past month, we got $95 in dividends. We go to the liability. This is our experiment where we invested $1,000 in Tesla and $1,000 in TSLY. We see Tesla now it increased to 1,037. TSLY is still it's on a loss. It has only $988. So we are on around $12 loss. We go to our holdings tab. Sorting on unrealized gain, Costco having a $4 profit, 6% profit. QYLD is the second one with 6% again. And the next performing stock is Tesla. Then we have JP. EPD is also on profit. SVOL is on profit by around 5.28%. It's including that all the returns, dividends, everything. Lin we just started and that's also showing on profit. And on the low side, the big loss is IEP, $220, 28% loss. That's why IEP reduced the dividend to $1, 50%. That's why now IEP is on a loss. The price went down. TLTW, this one also reduced the dividend. Now that's why it's on a loss of 7%. Now it's only 0.19 last month. MA, it didn't change much. It's on a loss 4%, and TSLY, that's our experiment. It's a high yield one. It's on a loss 1%. So we have a new section, dividend news, where we'll check last week any change in the dividend happened or not. Let's go to that. JP, they increased the dividend this month from 0.2904 to 0.3382. The payment date is on September 7th. Next one is TLTW. It increased the dividend from 0.19, so it reduced drastically last month. Now they compensated, it's now 0.332475, and the pay date is September 11th. We'll move to the Excel to see the fire date. Currently, I added an extra column, pi, that resembles M1 Finance and all the dividend calculations. Right now, the monthly dividend it is 145.22. So annual dividend it closed 1.5k. That's a milestone. And the fire date it reduced to Jan 13, 2203. Last week it was May 23. So we gained 130 days. Fire dividend at that time would be 1 million per month. And the age For me, it is 218 years. So if we see everything went to SPOL, so it increased to our share price increased to 79.16168. So the total cost is now 1809 and current value is 1815. So the total cost invested is 7772 including the liability, and current dividend on the entire portfolio yield on cost is 20.17. So we'd like to keep it above 5%. That's our target. If you see the monthly dividend increase and the age it reduced, we started on December 4, 2022, our first dividend. So at that time, our age, financial independent age was 467. Each month it reduced 363, 358, 347, 346. And it reduced now on August end, it was 218. Similarly, on the dividend side, if you see the dividend increase, it started with 0.99 each month and it increased on point 8 point February 10th, March it was 11th, April 12th, May 20, May it was 28. Now we started investing in TSLY, keep on increasing, and right now it is 144 per month. That's it for today.